Stop reading English. Start shadowing it. If you want to sound American, you need to copy how we actually talk, not how textbooks say we talk, how we really sound.
Right now, say this sentence out loud. I'm gonna grab some coffee. Did you say, I am going to grab some coffee? That's the problem.
Americans don't talk like that. We use gonna, wanna, gotta. We drop sounds, we connect words. And today, you're learning exactly how to shadow American speech so you sound natural, not like a textbook.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're here to help you speak real American English, the kind you actually hear in coffee shops, at work, and with friends.
Today's lesson is all about shadowing. That means listening to American English and copying it immediately, like an echo. This is how you train your mouth to move like ours.
Shadowing works because you're not translating, you're not thinking about grammar, you're just repeating what you hear, exactly how you hear it.
And if you want to practice real American English with us every week, hit that subscribe button right now. We make speaking English simple and natural.
All right, let's get into it.
So, Mike, what's the biggest mistake people make when they try to speak like Americans?
They read English, but they don't listen to how we actually say it. For example, they see, "What are you doing?" and they say every single word clearly.
Right, but Americans say, what you doing? We smash those words together.
Exactly. That's why shadowing is so important. You need to hear it, then copy it immediately. No thinking, just repeat.
Let's try one together. Mike, say a common American sentence.
I'm gonna go to the store.
Now everyone watching, say it with me. I'm gonna go to the store.
Good. Notice I didn't say I am going to go to the store. I said gonna. That's natural American speech.
Let's do another one. I wanna get some lunch.
Say it with us. I wanna get some lunch.
Perfect. You're already sounding more American. Now let's talk about why shadowing works so well.
When you shadow, your brain stops translating. You're training your mouth to make American sounds automatically.
Right. Think about it. When Americans talk, we don't think about grammar. We just talk. Shadowing helps you do the same thing.
So here's the technique. You listen to a short American sentence, then immediately you repeat it. You copy the rhythm, the speed, the sounds.
Let me show you. Mike, say something casual.
I gotta run some errands today.
I gotta run some errands today. See, I didn't pause, I didn't think, I just copied you.
That's shadowing. And viewers, you can do this right now. Just repeat what we say as fast as you can.
All right, let's practice 6 super common American phrases. These are things we say every single day.
Number 1, let me know. That means let me know, but we squish it together. Let me know.
Say it, let me know.
Good. Use it like this. Let me know when you're ready.
Say the whole thing. Let me know when you're ready.
Perfect. Number 2, kinda. That's kind of, but we always say kinda.
I'm kinda tired today.
Your turn. I'm kinda tired today.
Awesome. Number 3, dunno. That's don't know, but Americans say dunno all the time.
I don't know where my keys are.
Repeat it, I don't know where my keys are.
You're doing great. Number 4, shoulda. That means should have. Shoulda.
I shoulda called you earlier.
Say it. I shoulda called you earlier.
Nice. Number 5, gimme. That's give me, but we blend it. Gimme.
Give me a second, I'll be right there.
Your turn. Give me a second, I'll be right there.
Excellent. And number 6, whatcha. That's what are you, but we smash it together. Whatcha.
What you doing tonight?
Repeat, what you doing tonight?
Amazing. Now let's use these in real conversations.
Imagine you're texting a friend. They ask if you want to hang out. You could say, I don't know, I'm kind of busy. Let me know what time works.
Say that whole thing. I don't know, I'm kind of busy. Let me know what time works.
That sounds so natural. Or imagine you're at work. Your coworker asks where the files are.
You could say, I don't know, I should have checked earlier. Give me a minute to look.
Say it, I don't know, I should have checked earlier. Give me a minute to look.
Perfect. You sound like a native speaker already.
Now here's the secret to shadowing. Don't worry about being perfect. Just copy the sounds you hear.
Right, if you hear gonna, say gonna. Don't correct it to going to in your head. That's not how Americans talk.
Let's do a quick shadowing drill. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it immediately. Ready?
I'm gonna grab some coffee.
Say it now. I'm gonna grab some coffee.
What you doing later?
Say it. What you doing later?
Let me think about it.
Say it. Let me think about it.
I gotta go to the store.
Say it. I gotta go to the store.
Great job, everyone. You're training your mouth to speak American English naturally.
Now let's talk about rhythm. American English has a rhythm. Some words are stressed, some are reduced. For example, in the sentence, I'm gonna go, we stress go. We say, I'm gonna go.
Try it. I'm gonna go. In what you doing, we stress doing. What you doing.
Say it. What you doing?
This rhythm makes you sound natural. If you stress every word equally, you sound like a robot.
Right. So when you shadow, pay attention to which words are loud and which words are soft.
Let's practice. I'll say a sentence with the rhythm. You copy me exactly.
I gotta run to the store.
Say it. I gotta run to the store.
Let me know if you need anything.
Say it. Let me know if you need anything.
Perfect. You're getting the American rhythm.
One more thing. When you shadow, don't pause between words. Americans connect everything.
Like this. Did you eat yet? That's did you eat yet? But we connected. Did you eat yet?
Say it. Did you eat yet?
Or wanna come with? That's do you want to come with me? But we shorten it. Wanna come with?
Say it. Wanna come with?
Awesome. Now you're speaking like a real American.
Okay, Mike, let's do a role play. I'll be the learner and you help me shadow correctly.
Sounds good. All right, repeat after me. I'm gonna grab lunch.
I am going to grab lunch.
Close, but too formal. Don't say going to, say gonna. Try again. I'm gonna grab lunch.
I'm gonna grab lunch.
Perfect. That sounds so much more natural. Now try this. Let me know when you're free.
Let me know when you're free.
Yes, that's it. You sound like an American now. One more. What you up to?
What are you up to?
Almost. Smash what are you up to together. Whatcha. Try it. What you up to?
What you up to?
Excellent. You nailed it. Everyone watching, that's how you shadow. You listen, you copy, you improve.
Let's quickly review the phrases we learned today.
Gonna. I'm gonna go home.
Wanna. I wanna try that.
Gotta. I gotta leave soon.
Lemme. Let me help you.
Kinda. I'm kinda busy.
Dunno. I don't know where it is.
Shoulda. I shoulda studied more.
Gimme. Gimme a call later.
Whatcha. What you doing?
These are the sounds of real American English. Use them every day.
You did an amazing job today. Shadowing is the fastest way to sound American.
Here's your homework. Pick one phrase we taught today, use it in a sentence, and write it in the comments below.
For example, you could write, I'm gonna practice shadowing every day. Or, let me know if this helps.
We read every comment and we love seeing you practice. It shows you're serious about improving.
And if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to Speaklio English. We help you speak real American English confidently.
Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. It tells YouTube to share it with more learners like you.
Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to sound American. You just need to copy what you hear.
Shadow us every day. Listen to American movies, podcasts, videos, then repeat what you hear immediately.
Your mouth will learn the rhythm, your brain will stop translating, and you'll start sounding natural.
We believe in you. You're doing great. Keep practicing with Speaklio English.
See you in the next lesson. Keep shadowing.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and stay confident.